Evie, Kamin, this is Dee Dee Khan, old Frenchie from the movie Grease. Oh, Evie, happy birthday. And coming on the first day of Rosh Hashanah, what could be more beautiful than starting this new year for your birthday with health and love and the support of the whole congregation of the Temple of Aaron. Oh, it's a wonderful thing. Happy birthday. Let's party. Got a little hat here. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Evie. Happy birthday to you. From everyone at the Temple of Aaron and Rabbi Fine and everyone who loves you. Happy birthday to you. Oh, Evie. I hope this is the best birthday ever. And like we say in the movie, oh wop babaluma, oh wop bam boom. So be well, have fun, and just know that everyone loves you, and I love you too. Happy birthday, dear Evie.